Ever found yourself staring at your GrabPay screen, wondering just how much you can actually spend? Like, is there a secret limit? A hidden ceiling to your cashless convenience? You're not alone. We've all been there, hovering over that pay button, a little hesitant, a little curious. Let's be real, GrabPay has become a staple for everything from that late-night nasi lemak craving to splitting the bill after a movie. It's seamless, it's efficient, and frankly, it's just plain handy. But like any good digital wallet, it comes with boundaries. And understanding those boundaries is key to avoiding those awkward payment declined moments. Now, you might be thinking, just tell me the number. But it's not quite that simple. The maximum payment on GrabPay isn't a one-size-fits-all figure. It actually depends on a few factors, and those factors can shift things around. First off, let's talk about your GrabPay wallet balance. This is the most obvious one. If you only have $50 in your wallet, you can't magically spend $500, right? So, your wallet balance acts as a hard cap. Then there's your account verification level. Grab, like many financial services, uses verification to enhance security and comply with regulations. The higher your verification level, the higher your potential transaction limits. This is because Grab has a better grasp of who you are, reducing the risk of fraud. Think of it like unlocking levels in a game. Basic verification gets you started, but to access the high roller features, you need to level up. This usually involves submitting more personal information, like your ID and proof of address. And here's where it gets a little nuanced. The specific limits can also vary depending on the type of transaction. For example, paying a merchant might have a different limit than transferring funds to another GrabPay user. Grab periodically updates its terms and conditions, so the exact numbers can fluctuate. It's always a good idea to check the latest information on the Grab app or their official website. Look for sections related to wallet limits or transaction limits. Now, to give you a general idea, without stating specific figures that may change, think of it this way: a basic, unverified account will have quite restrictive limits, perfect for small, everyday transactions. As you level up your verification, those limits gradually increase, allowing for larger purchases and transfers. If you are consistently hitting against transaction limits, it's a strong indication that you should explore increasing your verification level. This not only gives you greater spending flexibility but also adds a layer of security to your account. In addition, some merchants may have their own internal limits for GrabPay transactions. This is less common, but something to keep in mind, especially for very high-value purchases. So, the takeaway here is that there's no single, definitive maximum payment answer. It's a sliding scale, influenced by your wallet balance, verification level, and the type of transaction. And it's always best to consult the Grab app for the most accurate and up-to-date information. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.